Hi students, good morning to everyone. In our previous class, we learned about greater than, less than, and equality. Today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order. Already you know ascending order, descending order in your earlier class, that is class 1. Again, today we have to go to learn the meaning of ascending order and descending order. Our chapter name is comparing three-digit numbers. Comparing three-digit numbers. First one is ascending order. The meaning of the ascending order is the given number arranged from small to big. Ascending order means the given number arranged in small to big. Ascending order. Numbers going from smallest to largest. Ascending order means numbers going from smallest to largest. It is also called increasing order. It is also called increasing order. Now we see one example. Example is 23, 15, 96 and 47. These are given numbers 23, 15, 96, 47. Now ascending order. Ascending order AO. Now here the definition smallest to largest. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Now from the given numbers, which is the smallest number? 15. Next one, from 23, 96, 47. The smallest number is 23. From 96 and 47, 47 is the smallest number. Now the final one is 96. Write down. The ascending order is 15, 23, 47, 96. It is also called increasing order. See 15 to 23, 23 to 47, 47 to 96. This is called ascending order. Now next one is descending order. Next one is descending order. Descending order. Numbers going from larger to smaller. Numbers going from larger to smaller. This is the definition for descending order. Descending order means numbers going from larger to smaller. It is also called decreasing order. It is also called decreasing order. Yes, descending order means numbers going from larger to smaller. It is also called decreasing order. Now we see example on descending order. 27, 19, 48, 71. As given numbers are 27, 19, 48, 71. These are given numbers. We arrange the given numbers in descending order. As D O means descending order. Descending order means larger to smaller or decreasing order. See here from 27, 19, 48, 71. The biggest number is 20 or 71. Next from 27, 19, 48. Next one is 48. Again from 27, 19, 27 is biggest. Now final one is 19. This is the descending order. Descending order is 71, 48, 27, 19. This is the order also in decreasing order. This is called descending order. Now we are going to solve some textbook problems. In textbook, page number 50. Page number 50. Page number 50. Exercise. First one. Identify the bigger number and mark it. Identify the bigger number and mark it. That is right symbol. We mark with right symbol. Now here given example also. First one is example. 294, 319. From here, which is the biggest one? Now, question A. 756, 432. Now B. 670, 679. See question 550, 543. Now D. 856, 851. In example, the number 294 and 319. See, these numbers form with three-digit numbers. First, we look at place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here, ones, tens, hundreds. The digit in 100 is 2. Here 2. The digit in 100 is 3. 200 is bigger or 300 is bigger? 300 is bigger. Put right symbol. 319 is biggest number in example problem. Now A1. 756, 432. Again we look at place values. 1, 10, 100. In 432, 1, 10, 100. Here the digit in 100 place is 7. Here the digit in 100 place is 4. 700, 400. From 700, 400, which is the bigger? 756. 700 is bigger, then 756 is biggest number from A. Next B. Given two numbers are 670 and 679. These two numbers are nearly similar. Again, we look at the place values in the B. 1s, 10s, 100s. Here also. 1s, 10s, 100s. As here, the digit is in 100 places 6 and 6. Both are same. Now the digit in tens is 7, 7. Again both are same. Now the digit in ones place is 0 and 9. From 0 and 9, which is the bigger? 9 is bigger. Then we put 679 is a bigger number. Next C1. 550, 543. The given two numbers are 550 and 543. Again, we look at the place values. 1, 10, 100. In 550 also. 1, 10, 100. From both numbers, the digit in 100 place is 5, 5. Next, we compare in tens place. The digit in tens place is there 5 and 4. From the 5 and 4, which is the bigger number? 5 is the biggest number. Then 550 is a bigger number. Now D1, the final problem, 856 and 851. Again we look at the place values. 1s, 10s, 100s. Here also. 1s, 10s, 100s. Now first comparing hundreds. The digit in 100 place is 8 and 8. Both are same. Next we go with tens place. In tens place the digit is 5 and 5. Again go with ones. Here digit ones place is 6. Here ones place is 1. From 6 and 1, which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. Then 856 is a bigger number. This is the first bit from page number 50. Identify the bigger number and mark it with right symbol. Question number 1 is completed. Now we are going with second number. Question number 2. Question number 2. Identify the smaller number and draw a circle around it. Yes. Page number 50. Question number 2. Identify the smaller number and draw circle around it. Now the given questions are, first one is example 738 and 769. Now question A, 463, 154. Now B1, 537, 645. Now C, 248, 764. Now D1, 707 and 705. These are given ones. Now, first find that smallest number. See, example, given numbers are 738 and 769. We have to find the smaller number and put circle around it. Same process depending on first problem. First locate the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here also. Ones, tens, hundred. First we compare with hundreds. In hundreds the digit is 7, 7. Both are same. Next go with tens. The place value tens. The given digits are 3 and 6. From 3 and 6, which is the smaller? 3 is the smaller. Then 738 is a smaller number. Put circle around this number. Identify the smaller number and draw a circle around it. Okay? Yes. In example, 738 is a smaller number than 769. Already I put circle. Now question number A. In the question number A, given numbers are 463, 154. First, we look at that place values for two numbers, 1, 10, 100. Here also, 1, 10, 100. First, we compare hundreds. What are the digits in 100 places from the two numbers? Here 4 is there, here 1 is there. From 4 and 1, which is the smaller? 1 is smaller than 4. Then 154, this number is smaller. Put the circle around the smaller number. Now B1, 537, 645. These are given numbers in B. Again, we have to look at the place values. 1, 10, 100. Here the same 1, 10, 100. Now we compare the digits in 100 places. See, the digits are in 100 places are here 5, here 6. From 5 and 6, which is the smaller one? 5 is smaller than 6. Then 537 is a smaller number. Next, question C. Question C, given numbers are 248, and 264. Same process. First we look at the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Here also, ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, first we compare the digits are in 100 places. Yes, here the digit 2 and from other numbers 2. Here the digit in 100 places are same. Next we go with tens. Tens, the digit in tens places is 4 and 6. From 4 and 6, which is a smaller than small number 4. 4 is a smaller than 6. Then 248 is a smaller number than 264. Now final one, D. Question D, 707 and 705. From these two, which is the smaller? First, we look at that ones, tens, hundreds means place values. Again, also we look at the place values ones, tens, hundred. Yes, the digit in 100 place is 7 and 7. Next, we go with tens place. In the tens place, the digit also 0, 0. Again same. The digit in 100 place 7. From both numbers 7. The digit in tens place, the digit 0, 0. Again same. 7, 0, 7, 0, same. Next, we compare the digits in ones place. Ones place digit is 7 here, here 5. Yes. From 7 and 5, which is the smaller number? 5 is a smaller number than 7. Then 705 is a smaller number. Okay, students? Comparing three-digit number, compulsory we have to look at that first place values. Comparing with hundreds, other than after hundreds, tens, after tens, ones. Now, question number 3. Write the correct symbol greater than, lesser than, equal in the blank boxes. Question number 3. Write the correct symbol in the blank boxes. Yes, the given symbols are greater than, lesser than, or equal. We insert these three symbols in the given blank boxes depending on given number. That is, first one is greater than, second one is lesser than, third one is equality. First, we write example problem. $304 box of 201. First example. Now second example, 475 box of 616. Third example, 254 box of 254. Now question A. 620 box of 580. B 937 975. C 763 746. D 864 953. As an example, first given number is 304. Now second number is 201. First we look at the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. It also ones, tens, hundreds. Now comparing with hundreds, if hundreds are same, we go with tens. If tens are same, we go with ones. The digit in hundred places are 3 and 2. Here 3, here 2. From 3 and 2, which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 3. Then 304 is bigger number than 201. Here 304 is a bigger number. From the definition of greater than, lesser than, equality, bigger number side we have to open mouth. 304 is a bigger number. The bigger number is left side. Left side we have to open mouth. We open mouth, we get greater than symbol. Means 304 greater than 201. 304 is greater than 201. This is the example 1. Now next example, the given numbers are 475, 616. First we look at the place values, 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Here also 1, 10, 100. First we compare hundreds. The digit in hundreds are 4 and 6. From the 4 and 6, which is the biggest one? 6 is the biggest one. Then 616 is biggest number. Here 616, the number is in right side. This is a bigger value. By definition, we have to open the mouth, bigger number side. Here bigger number is in right side. We open mouth, right side. Means we get less than symbol. This is called less than symbol. This one is greater than. Greater than symbol is this one. Now this is a lesser than or less than. Less than, always open the mouth towards right side. Now third one. Here 254. Here also 254. 254, 254. The digit in under place is 2. The digit in tens place is 5. The digit in ones place is 4. All numbers are same in 3 places. 254, 254, 254. Means equal sign. It's called equality. Is greater than, lesser than, equal to. Yes. Now using these 3 definitions, we have to insert the greater than symbol, lesser than symbol, equality symbol in the question A, B, C, D. Now question A. 620 and 580 In a question, given numbers are 620 and 580. First, we look at the place values 1, 10, 100. Here also 1, 10, 100. The digit in hundreds place is here 6, here 5. From 6 and 5, which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. Means 620 is bigger than 580. A bigger number is left side. We open mouth towards left side. Yes. We get greater than symbol. 600 is greater than the 580. 620 is greater than the 580. This is the solution for A. Now B. The B numbers are 937, 975. 937 and 975. We look at the place values 1, 10, 100. Here also 1, 10, 100. Now comparing the digit in 100 places. Yes, here 9, 9. Both digits are same in 100 places. Next, we go with the digit in tens place. Now compare the digits in tens place. Here tens place is 7. Here tens place is 3. From 3 and 7, which is the bigger one? 7 is the bigger one. Nothing but 975 is a bigger than the 937. This is the bigger one. Now bigger one number is in right side. We open mouth towards right side. Now we get lesser than symbol. This is a lesser than symbol. Next, question C. The given two numbers are 763 and 746. First we look at the face value 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Here also the digit 7 is in 100 places. Means both sides the 7 is same. Next we go with tens place. The digit in tens place is here 6, here 4. From 6 and 4, which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number than 4. Then 763 is a bigger number than 746. Means 763 is a bigger number. This bigger number is left side. We open mouth towards left side. Means we get greater than symbol. Now question number D. 864. The number is 864 and 953. First we look at the place values 1, 10, 100. Here also 1, 10, 100. Now compare the digits in 100 places. The both sides the digits are in 100 places 8 and 9. Here 8 is there. Here 9 is there. Here 8 is there, here 9 is there. From these two, 8 and 9, which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. Then 953 is a bigger number than 864. Here the bigger number is 953 in left side. We open mouth towards left side. We get lesser than symbol. This is a solution for greater than, lesser than and equality. Yes, students, here some problems are waiting for you. E, F, G, H complete in homework. Today, what I am writing definition depending on ascending order, descending order. I solved some more problems from the textbook, that is page number 50. These are writing in my running notes. And do the homework. Question number 3, E, F, G, H. Homework, page number 50, question number 3, E, F, G, H problems. Please complete homework in your running notes. Tomorrow's class, we will learn write the numbers in ascending order, descending order. Okay, students, goodbye to everyone.